Hi, my name is Grant Baldwin. I'm from ASD, and today we're looking at the Altronix Ebridge. We are the distributors for Altronix in New Zealand. The Altronix Ebridge is a way of putting IP cameras over coax. So it consists of two Ebridge devices connected via coax cable. So here we have our Ebridge transceiver connected through to our March Networks IP camera. We're then going to have it run through some coax cable. We then have our Altronix Ebridge receiver connected through to a laptop. Now normally this would either be at this end it would be connected through to your network switch, or which would then be connected through to your DVR for recording. So at this site you would normally be replacing, for example, an old analog camera with an IP camera. As such, at the site you would have your coax cabling as well as a power supply for your camera. Now, what the Ebridge allows us to do is to utilize the existing coaxial cabling to install an IP camera at the site. Now, we already have power through to the camera because of the existing analog camera. So we plug the power into the IP camera, just a short fly lead from the camera through to the Ebridge unit. We connect the Cat6 cable to the connection here, and then we just connect our coax cable through to the coax connection. The other thing that the Ebridge is good at is they can also, besides obviously transmitting IP data over coax, they can also transmit analog data or video. So if you have a IP camera that can transmit analog as well as IP, you can also transmit analog video over the analog cable as well as IP. So we have it connected this end, come through to analog cable. It can transmit over up to about 450 meters worth of coax. And at this side we plug in our IP connection. So at this end we then connect the coax connection. And then we'll see a blue light, it means we've established a link from one to the other. You'll see at the other end there's a blue light here as well. We've got a link established. Now, on our PC here, what we'll do is we'll just run some the March Networks View Videosphere browser software, which will basically scan the network to see if there's an IP camera. You can see there's one connected up here. We click on here and open it up. We see here we have the image from our IP camera coming through the Ebridge unit across coax cable through the other Ebridge unit from our IP camera. And you can see the image coming through nice and clear here. This is a March Networks 5 megapixel camera that's currently running at 3 megapixel, running at 12 frames per second. As you can see, the image coming through nice and clear with no problems at all. And that is how the Ebridge units from Altronix work. Thank you very much.